Okay, now our another topic for today is finding rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now here you have one method, that is a plus b upon 2. Now here what is a and what is b? That is your two numbers, that is 1 and 2. So how you are going to find out? That is 1 plus 2 upon 2. That is 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2. So you will be getting one rational number between 1 and 2, that is 3 by 2. Okay. Now you have got this one rational number. Now you have to find another rational number. Then how to do it? Now you have to take either these two numbers or these two numbers as a and b. Either this can be a and b or this can be a and b. Any one you can take it. If you have to find 2, this is your first one, and after we calculate the second, that becomes your second rational number. So now another a and b will be 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. So this becomes your calculation for the second rational number. So here first we'll be calculating the numerator. Now here you'll be finding out the LCM. Now since here nothing is there, so it is 1. So finding the LCM means here you have to make the base same. So you'll be multiplying into 2 here. It will be looking like this. 1 into 2 plus 3 upon 2 upon 2. Okay. So here it will be 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. So what it makes out to be, 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 2 and a bigger upon 2. So it becomes 5 and this 2 comes down. So 2 into 2, so that is 5 upon 4. So your another rational number between 1 and 2 is 1, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 4, 2. So this way you have to go on and calculate the rational numbers with the help of the formula a plus b upon 2. Now our second method of finding rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay. So first how many you have to find? That is 3. So first calculation is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now this 4 becomes your base. That is, this is 1, this is 2. Alright. Now 1 means new denominator is what? 1 only, and 2 denominator is also 1. If not mentioned, it will always be 1. Now you have to make the base as 4 on both the sides. So what to do? Just multiply into 4. Here also into 4. Up and down it should be multiplication same. Here also 4 into 4. So what will be here? 4 upon 4, and here it will be 2 4s are 8 upon 4. Alright. Now so what you have got it? 4 upon 4 and 8 upon 4. So in between these, can you find 3 rational numbers? That is yes, you can find it. That is 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4 and 7 upon 4. So you get this answer by just making the base same between the two numbers. Okay.